I asked AI to make me a burger commercial, and it turned out like this. Get ready to taste something amazing. Picture a burger that's not just delicious, but takes your taste buds on an adventure. It's like a masterpiece of flavors, inviting you to explore a world of culinary excellence. With Supreme Sizzle, every bite has a story to tell, making your dining experience unforgettable. So, why not share the joy with friends and family as you savor the delightful taste journey together? Alright, so let me guide you through the process of creating your own mouth-watering masterpiece. There are two avenues you can explore, the traditional free way or the expedited fast way. I'll walk you through both methods, ensuring a seamless and stress-free experience. Now, let's talk about what you need to bring your vision to life. Every great video requires essential elements: a meticulously crafted script, captivating visuals, a compelling voiceover, and enchanting music. Leveraging the power of technology, we'll utilize ChatGPT for the script, Midjourney and Runway for visuals, and Fleeky for the voiceover. Don't worry if these tools are paid. Alternatives like Leonardo and Pika Labs offer similar functionalities for free. For the musical backdrop, we'll harness the capabilities of MusicGen, a versatile open-source model, to elevate your video to new heights of auditory pleasure. With these tools at your disposal, you're well equipped to embark on your creative journey and bring your burger commercial to life with unparalleled finesse and flair. Now, first, we need a script. We will ask ChatGPT to write us the script, and just like that, our script is ready. Let's simplify the process of creating visuals for our video with the help of ChatGPT. By providing a prompt, ChatGPT will offer detailed shot descriptions, aiding in crafting a compelling visual narrative. Following this, we can utilize accessible tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate images based on these descriptions. Once we've selected the images that best fit our vision, we'll proceed to animate them using Runway. With its complimentary 125 credits in the free trial, Runway enables us to infuse our visuals with dynamic energy effortlessly. Alternatively, Pika Labs can be employed for a similar outcome if preferred. By uploading our chosen images and following the prompts, we'll swiftly bring our video to life with captivating visuals. This process can be repeated for each image, ensuring a cohesive and engaging visual experience throughout the video. With these user-friendly tools and ChatGPT's guidance, creating compelling visuals for our video has never been easier. And download the videos. Now for the voiceover, I'm using Fleeky AI. The website link is in the video description, so don't worry. Just sign up with your email, click on New File, select the language, give it a file name, select Audio Only, and submit. Now paste your script here. Select the narrator's voice. For example, I liked Davis's voice. Fleeky helps you create audio and video content. Let's apply this voice to all the voiceovers. Change the rate or pitch of the voice. You can also add some pauses if you want. Let's see how it turned out.
The symphony of flavors, a masterpiece of taste, a burger beyond imagination. Supreme Sizzle, where every bite tells a story.
Let's generate and download the music to enhance the experience further. Now let's bring it all together in a video editor. I'm using CapCut as it is simple and has the sound effects I'm looking for. Let's import all our assets. Arrange the videos on the timeline according to the script, and in the audio section, go to Sound Effects, and you will see the food section here. Select the sound effect for your scene like chopping, sizzling meat, etc. Add these sounds to the timeline. Add some transitions, the background music, and the voiceover that we created with Fleeky. Let's see how it turned out.
Experience a symphony of flavors, a masterpiece of taste, a burger beyond imagination.
Share the joy, share the taste.
Supreme Sizzle, where every bite tells a story.
Now, if the thought of creating such a mouth-watering masterpiece seems daunting, fear not. Enter FlexClip, your ultimate solution for effortless video editing. With its intuitive interface and powerful AI features like AI Video Script, FlexClip streamlines the editing process, allowing you to bring your vision to life without the hassle of downloading or installing software. Simply sign up, unleash your creativity, and let FlexClip transform your ideas into captivating visual stories. Click on Generate Script, and the video editor will open. Here, Just type a short description like a burger commercial, select the duration, and click on Generate. Sign up with your Gmail, Facebook, or email ID. Oh, seems like they're giving a 70% discount. Let's see how much that would be. It's like $3 per month if it's billed annually. That's pretty cheap if you ask me, considering the fact that they are giving millions of stock footage, music, sound effects, and the AI tools. I actually got the Plus plan. Now let's click on Generate again and watch the magic happen. It wrote the entire script in a second. Now just click on AI to video, choose AI creation or AI excerpt, select the subtitle style, and generate. Give it a few seconds, and there's our video. If for some reason it fails to load a video, click on the reload button, and it will give you more clips that you can replace. Now delete the clips you don't want or add your own clips. Go to Overlay section and add your brand logo. It's fully customizable. Add some transitions, change the speed of the video manually, or go to curve speed, and there you will have some pro-level speed transitions. I love it. Step into our stylish restaurant, where every detail exudes elegance and charm. With a simple click, add this captivating scene to your timeline, immersing your viewers in the ambience of refined dining. Now, it's time to fine-tune the voiceover. Select Roger's voice for a touch of class that perfectly complements the sophistication of the setting. As you edit, trim away any excess clips, ensuring a seamless flow that keeps your audience engaged from start to finish. And those subtitles? They're unnecessary clutter. Delete them with confidence. But let's not stop there. Elevate the impact of your video by adding a powerful sound effect, like a resounding boom, precisely timed to coincide with the reveal of our logo. In the audio section, hunt down the perfect effect to make that moment unforgettable. And what's a captivating video without the right soundtrack? Choose cinematic chill-out music to set the tone, creating an atmosphere that's both refined and inviting. With every detail meticulously curated, it's time for those final touches, until your video shines with polished perfection. In just a few clicks, watch as your vision comes to life, ready to captivate and inspire. Export the video and let's see how it turned out.
Introducing Burger Delights, where taste and quality combine for the ultimate burger experience. Step into our stylish restaurant and savor the flavors that will leave you craving for more.
So yeah, there you have it, guys. The AI helped us make our video in just a few minutes compared to the first method where it took us like 2 hours. And I would like to tell you that the AI isn't here to take your job, but to make your job easier. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.